I am filming you. Mommy to be.
Hello.
Looking pretty good.
Got all sorts of stuff.
Close up of Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
You look pretty.
Yeah.
You look much more sedate.
Oh, yeah.
A little zoom out.
I used to brush my teeth.
You look great after your epidural. Pitocin doing its job. It's about almost 11 a.m. We're thinking little boy to be maybe here in the next hour or so.
Yeah.
It's been a long morning.
Yeah.
Water broke at 1 a.m.
In 10 hours.
10 hours in the hospital. Some painful contractions. Daddy just hanging out. Hand almost broken from rough contraction support. But Mommy's doing well. Hi, Mom.
Baby.
Looking good. Picture of the room. That's where the little boy's gonna be. Very nice room, actually. Nice setup. And outside. Get to say hi to the nurse coming in. Checking in on Mom to be.
Yeah. Turn me up a little bit.
Is it going well?
Turn up the Pitocin. There we go. Kicking up a notch.
Taking it up a notch. Next time I film, it may be with an extra pin number.
Yeah.
See you soon, Mommy.
Bye-bye.
Here's Mommy with the new baby. Let's zoom in. Hi, Mommy. Can we get in there to see the new baby?
Yeah.
Oh,
Around.
hi, little guy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Welcome to the world, little guy.
Who is he?
October 1st, 2008, 1:18 p.m.
He had to suck you right out, doesn't he?
It's a nice view of you and Mommy together. There's Mama.
Those cheeks. Look at that cheek. Look at that cheek.
The scissors that you used to cut the cord, do you have any idea whether they're broken?
They were on the...
Oh, brownie face. Oh, no reason for that. No. Yeah. No reason for that. It's a happy day.
Congratulations, Mama.
Congratulations, Daddy.
Thank you.
It was a long day, but here we are.
Yeah, you did all the work. You guys look great. Happy birthday, little guy.
Just that little cheek.
Yeah, let's get a little zoom here. Oh, look at that little guy. 5.12 pounds, 19.5 inches long. Looking pretty good. All right. Content with Mommy. All right, just gonna sign off. We'll be back. All right, Mom. This is baby Mama. In the postpartum.
Trying to see him. Little tiny guy.
She was in the labor and delivery room. Now in the postpartum room.
Yay.
And a little feeding, as she just said. Let's take a little look here. Be mindful of the little guy doing his thing. Not going to get too close here. Yeah. How you feeling, baby mama?
Good. Great.
Yeah, you're looking better. Looking a little more peaceful.
A little tired, but good.
Take a look out here out the window.
Nice room with the mountains.
Nice view of the mountains. I don't know how much we're going to be able to see with the lights, but we'll try and take a little view out here. Our room in Colorado. I can't see too well in the mist. A little bit of a ridge there, but back to baby mama. And the baby little boy.
Ready for a shower and a little sleep.
Baby boy is having a little food. Looking at his little feet. There's a little baby monitor.
Make sure nobody takes him. No little tiny feet.
How small he is. Look at those little feet.
Little big feet.
Oh, wee.
Oh, he's falling asleep.
Yeah, it looks like he's relaxing. All content with baby mama.
Little teeny weeny newborn diapers.
Looking pretty good. Looking comfy.
Good.
It's been about a little over 3 hours since the little guy was born.
Yep.
Here we are.
Well,
Recouping. Heard from some family. Baby daddy's going to go home for the evening and relax. And come back in the morning. See how the baby mama and little baby are doing.
Yep. Okay.
We will see you soon.
Right.
And here we are. October 2nd. Day after. Little Jack Lewis Mahalik. Post-circumcision. Taking a little snooze. Everything's going well. Handing over to baby mama here. Looking pretty.
Ooh, scary. Time to shower.
Feeling better. A little close up. Little
Don't
push
get
back.
down there.
Don't look at the belly. Okay. I was looking at the belly, but I should look at the belly.
Still pretty jolly.
And looking back at little baby Jack that came out of baby mama.
We're just taking him to the nursery so we can go have some lunch. He's been a good baby so far.
And we will look at baby daddy really quickly. As he's just beaming and happy.
Yeah.
Hey, baby daddy. Baby daddy, baby mommy. Hello.
Okay, go to lunch. See you later.
Talk to you soon.